Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my voluminous blow-dried hair look, how I do my hair every day, and it is so easy and so quick, and I'm going to show you how I get this look today. So stay tuned, and for those of you that are new, welcome. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you for tuning in today. Okay, so I just got out the shower and I am going to show you what products I'm going to put in my hair. I just wanted to show you how I style my hair every day because it's a really easy, fast method that I like to use, especially when I'm in a hurry and like I'm trying to get out the door and just hurry up and do my hair and makeup real quick. It gives your hair a very voluminous, like very full, thick look, at least it does for me. So hopefully you can find this method of styling your hair useful to you as well. Also, this robe is from Target. I saw it yesterday and I thought it was super cute, so I was like, I have to get it. It has like a little slit in the side, which I thought was also really cute. It's actually a slit on both sides. I really liked it. So today I'm gonna be using the wet brush. I don't remember exactly like what company makes it. I want to say it's Conair, but I'm not for sure. I will look it up and leave the link so you can buy it down below. But it is just this wet brush, and it was actually gifted to me by someone in my family, and I am obsessed with this brush. I've been using it actually since like Christmas, I think, and I just really love it. It can withstand high heat, so you can use it with your blow dryer. And it doesn't pull your hair out, which I really like. I mean, it'll obviously take the hair out that is falling out anyway, because we naturally lose like, you know, however many strands a day. I don't know the exact number, but like every day we naturally shed. And this brush, it doesn't pull out the hair that is gonna stay. It just, all your natural hair that isn't shedding, it doesn't like rip anything extra out. It just takes out what's already like coming off anyway. And it really helps to like detangle when your hair is wet. They say like you're not really supposed to brush your hair when your hair is wet, but I really love this brush because I feel like you are able to use it obviously with wet hair. And I think that it's really beneficial for people who have to brush their hair and detangle their hair when it's wet, especially when you're blow drying it. So some of the other products that I'm going to be using today, I always use this product. It's by Tresemme, and it is a heat protectant spray. It protects your hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which I really love. It's called Heat Tamer. It says it protects against heat damage. It's a leave-in spray, so you spray it in, you blow dry your hair, you straighten it or curl it or whatever, and it just stays in your hair until the next time you wash your hair. It's a thermal creation by Tresemme. I've been using this probably for 10 years. I love this spray. I will also leave a link down below so you guys can get this. And then another product I use is Redken. This was actually recommended to me by my hairstylist, and it's called Pillow Proof. It's for blow drying. It's an express primer with, it says base express, so you save time blow drying. So like when you put this on your hair, supposedly it cuts down on your blow dry time, if that makes sense. It says time saving blow dry primer with heat protectant. So this is also a heat protectant, which I feel like it's huge to use heat protectant sprays on your hair because obviously heat really damages our hair, especially the ends of our hair. So I definitely appreciate that this is also heat protectant, and this smells amazing. Honestly, both of these products smell so good. I love them, and I highly recommend, if you guys are not using any sort of heat protectant on your hair before you style it with heat products, I would definitely recommend trying these out and just see if anything changes with your hair and how it looks. Because for me, I feel like this actually helps the way my hair looks when I'm done styling it. It looks very smoothed out at the ends, and it just looks very healthy and full, and like it has all the natural oils in it and everything. I used to put oil in my hair. I actually don't right now. If I am having a day where I feel like my hair is super dry, then I will use, it is this nourishing coconut milk. And I've had it for a long time. It says it's a nourishing coconut milk anti-breakage serum. I mean, I don't really know how I feel about the OGX products, because I've used like their shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that before, and I don't know like if I'm really in love with them, but I've had this forever, and so if I have to use a little bit on the ends, which I don't put any like near my scalp, I will only put maybe like a little tiny bead of it, and a little goes a long way. This stuff is so thick, and I'll just rub it around on my hands and then just put it on the ends and like maybe work my way up just a little bit, and then that's it. I just feel like this stuff is so thick, and I really only use it if I have to. I don't like to use oil in my hair unless I absolutely have to, because I feel like as I've been getting older and my hair, I feel like is starting to change a little bit. My hair recently has been a lot more oily, like towards the scalp and stuff, than it used to be. Like it used to be really dry, like all throughout childhood. Like I used to have to use intense, like thick oil. I used to do like hot oil treatments on my hair. I don't really feel like I need that anymore. I feel like my hair is fine the way it is. So this is another product that I would say is good if you have like really dry hair, like at the ends. But I will leave a link down for this below. Like I said, I don't really use this that often unless I really have to. And then my blow dryer that I use is the Infinity by Conair. I've had this forever. I love it. It has an option where you can do hot air, warm air, or cool air. I never really use any of the other settings besides hot. So, and then you can do high, low. Those are the two settings for like blow drying. And then I do like that it has a little retractor button. So when you press this, it actually retracts the cord for you. So it's like, it's kind of like a mess-free type storage thing. Like, so you don't have a bunch of cords laying around, have to wrap it around like you do with like your flat iron or your curler. So if you press this button, it just retracts it, which I think is really nice for storage purposes. So I will also leave a link for this blow dryer that I use down below. So let's get started with how I do my hair. So it doesn't really matter what order like you use these products. I just kind of like do whatever I'm feeling. So I'll just take this heat protectant spray by Tresemme, and I'll just kind of like spray it all over the length of my hair and like kind of on the top too, and just kind of rub it in. And then I do the other side. So I'll flip my hair around, and I'll make sure I try and get like the top and the back. And then I just kind of like rub it around, like rub it towards the ends. And then I use my pillow proof, and I'll actually just kind of use my finger or fingernail and just put it on the scalp. And really the only reason I do this is because this is exactly how they do it in the salon when they do my hair. And like every time they do my hair, they use that pillow proof product by Redken. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to show you guys like what I'm doing. This, like, I am in no shape or form working with any of these companies like to promote these products. This is just what I've been using for years, and I just truly love these products. So that is the only reason why I am showing you what I'm doing and how I do it, because I truly feel like it works for me, and I hope that maybe it'll work for some of you too. If you're looking for a new way to style your hair, or just looking for a different method. And so I'll just rub that in, and I just do like a middle part, I spray, I do the sides right here, I spray, and then I do right here and I spray. And I really try and do it like on the scalp too, because I feel like it adds a lot of volume. Like, and I tend to be flat up top near my scalp just because my hair is so heavy. I have a lot of it. I mean, it's not like thick hair, it's kind of like thin, but I have so much of it and I feel like it's pretty long now and it's kind of weighed down. So I tend to be flatter up here, so that's why I'm like spraying this on the scalp too, so that it can hopefully like kind of lift that a little bit with the heat on the product. Okay, so now I got my products in and I'm gonna go ahead and actually flip my hair upside down. So I'm gonna actually flip my hair upside down and then brush my hair like from the bottom up. And that's just how I like to blow dry my hair. Okay, so this is the final look, and that's literally it. Like I used to straighten my hair and like do all sorts of crazy stuff to it, I feel like, to get it to look like this. And I just love this blown out look so much more. I think it's really cute, and I like to like just be able to kind of like flip it over if I want, like either side, and it just has so much like lift and volume by like blow drying it the way I did. And I don't know, I just really like this method. So if you like this video and you like this style or method of doing your hair, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And also leave a comment down below. What do you want to see next? What should I do next? What could I show you? Just let me know. But yeah, I really like this. I feel like my hair looks very full and healthy and beautiful, and I just, oh goodness. Sorry guys, I'm like trying to flash you. But yeah, I really like how this looks. And so this is just what I do every day, especially if like I'm in a rush or whatever and I don't want to straighten my hair or curl it or anything like that. I just jump out the shower and I use this method of blow drying my hair. Also, I did want to add just kind of like what I was doing as I was styling my hair. So I flip my hair upside down and I just like start to brush from the bottom up to get all the tangles out. And then once I get all the tangles out, I will like start from the very back of my scalp, and I'll take the blow dryer and follow the brush all the way down to the end of my hair. And that gets it really dry really fast. And then once I feel like I've done that quite a few times and everything's starting to look really dry, then I flip my hair back up and I just kind of like take the blow dryer on the front of it and try and get the hair back here that sometimes can still be wet. So I'll brush it like this and still do the blow dryer, and then I'll flip it and do it on the other side. And then I just kind of run it through my scalp some more, and like right here especially, and I just feel like it gives it a very nice full like model, like Victoria's Secret almost type look, like that full voluminous look, and I really love that. If you wanted to like even vamp this up even more, sometimes like I'll even take a curler and curl it, and it just really gives you those amazing like bombshell waves with the volume that the blow dryer gave you with the products that you were using. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, show me some love. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, it's so hot. It's so humid in here. So, oops. Yeah, like to use this product like spray. Okay. Oh my god, what is going on here? Keep that in there. This is not that kind of video. It's not for me to say.